Now watch this, if I just turn this way now, I'll film another intro and it'll look like it's a completely different video. Alright guys, I'm back here at the farm for a second time, testing this optic again. They are doing a lot of work over there. Let's start to walk. It's noisy wherever you go here on the farm, but back here testing the DNT ThermNight scope and the daytime configuration again, and when it gets a little darker, I'm gonna throw it into thermal and night vision mode, see what it can do then. So stay tuned, enjoy the day stuff, and then stay tuned for the next video for some night stuff. All right guys, enjoy. Here's an example of getting tunnel vision and not seeing what's in front of your target. Clearly when I took the shot there was no cows over here. This was a day ago when I actually took this shot. I did not realize that this lift gate right here was one of the bars was blocking the starling that I was shooting at, and I ended up hitting the bar. It would have been a perfect shot, but got a little tunnel vision. Now I can clearly see, looking at the footage going back over it, hey, there's a giant bar in front of your target, your little starling, and if you shoot at it, you're just gonna hit the bar. But right there at that moment, I'm like, oh, I've got this. Good night, and nothing. Just a ting, and I actually saw the gate rock a little bit.
Alright, what did I just kill?
Standing about where I am right now, and I saw something in here. I honestly thought it was a rat. I shot it, and you can hear me on camera go, okay, now what the hell did I just kill? Because it wasn't moving like a rat. And it's a baby pigeon just down there gobbling up as much of that expensive dairy mix is what it was gobbling down.
Well, you wanna be a jerk? You get shot.
One of the early issues that, and it's not really an issue, it's just you gotta kind of think about it and then adjust to it, is, let me show you here. During the daytime, you're using this as your sight here. Nighttime, if you're using thermal, this is your sight here. So you actually have different height over bores. On my normal optical scope, height over bore is maybe about right here. With this in the daytime, using this digital day scope, it's way up here, closer in shots where I normally wouldn't have to use as much hold over. I need to use probably an extra mil of hold over to compensate the height of this, which I've missed a couple of easy shots because of not thinking that way right off the bat. And here are a couple prime examples of those easy shots that I've missed because I wasn't giving it enough holdover. Please try not to laugh at me. Here you go.
just to the right.
And like that, the sun is starting to set. We're gonna flip this over into night vision mode and see how many rabbits we can get. All right, guys, stay tuned for that video. It's coming very soon. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments. Check out DNTOptics.com if you're interested in this thing. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.